Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to see stock summary and currently stock available in our account. So currently we have added some stock in our various categories like raw material, finished good and any other type of category. So how to print the stock currently available, what is the opening balance and what is the currently stock in particular category, and how to print the stock category and take out the print of that particular stock. We will see all these in our tutorial. So first go to the gateway of Tally. If you are in any other window, then press escape key and come to the gateway of Tally. After entering into the gateway of Tally, you have to go to the reports and select stock summary. Once you select stock summary, you can see various stock available in your account. Like I have stock of 875 rupee of finished good and raw materials of 5000 rupees. Now to see the stock currently available in particular category, press enter onto the category. So I can see detergent powder of 25 kilogram of 35 rate is available and particular value and grand total is given at the bottom of the window. So this is the grand total and total quantity available. Now press escape key. Now I want to see the goods of or raw material of raw materials. Then I can enter onto that and I can see 100 numbers of quantity available of raw material 1. Rate is the 50 rupees per quantity and total value is the 5000 grand total, and the total numbers are given at the below of the bottom window. Now if I want to expand these finished good in this window only, then I have to take my pointer onto the finished goods and I have to press shift plus enter, so it will expand the category. Likewise I am doing for raw materials. So we can see now the detergent powder and raw material 1 in only one window, and we can see grand total is of 5875. So this way we can see our currently stock available in our particular go down and groups. Now I want to print the stock details, then I have to press Alt plus P. So it will ask to do you want to print this, then if you want to print then enter, and it will ask if you have printer connected to your computer, then it will direct generate print, but if you don't have printer connected, then you have to save this. Now I can open that print and you can see your company name, address, stock summary for particular date, and you can also see your finished goods with categories and grand total. So this way you can see your stock and particular items stock in your account, and you can also take print out that stock. So this is about printing and viewing the current stock available in your account. Thank you.